Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. If you're watching this video, thank you so much. I would kindly ask at the end if you enjoyed, if you would kindly press that like button. I would be super grateful. Guys, so today video is about Etsy. I have bought one thing from Etsy before. I was quite impressed. I was very happy with my purchase. But I've been looking around for little mystery boxes, things that are maybe a bit different. And today not today. I purchased items, a number of things from Etsy, and one of them arrived. So I couldn't wait. I really want to get into it. This little mystery box I bought from a seller called Hallie's Scents. I will put that in the description. It's an online Etsy store. This little box cost £5 and it's £3 to ship. This box is super heavy. I have not opened it. I have removed the label. I have cut the bottom with my trusty scissors in preparation for this video. But £5 for this box and £3 delivery. Even if you take it in its totality of £8, I don't know what's inside this box, but it is hefty. So we're going to open up our box. I'm going to lift it up so you guys can see more. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I do worry about things when I buy a mystery box, whether I'm going to get garbage or junk. I mean, I guess if I do, I do. It's not a really big deal. It was £8 and I got a video from it and it's still exciting. So let's see. I'm definitely getting a scent. I'm getting a really strong fruity scent. So, oh my gosh, what's inside here? Let me tilt you guys down a little bit so you get a better view. So we've got lots of packaging, are you kidding me? Like, honestly? What the heck is inside? Guys, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 8 products inside this box. That means I paid £1 for every item. I mean, really? That's crazy because there are some tubs here. I don't know what those tubs are, but there are some tubs here. It doesn't really say what you get inside the mystery box as you buy the mystery. It can be soaps, it can be bath fizzers, it can be candle wax burners. So you can get, it's a mystery box. And I love this scrunchy packaging. Anyway, so let's get started with our first item. Okay, this is a little bit dinged up, but I'm not worried about it. I am going to probably test one of these bath bombs, so we'll probably use this as our tester. But this is a little unicorn. It's got gold little feet. This one is a unicorn bath bomb. And does it tell me the weight? It really doesn't, but it's a pretty decent size bath bomb. Sodium bicarbonate is the first thing, and citric acid, so we should get a decent fizz. And if you look, it almost looks a little bit like birthday cake. So a little bit like birthday cake, and it looks like a lot of fun. I mean, it is a bit dinged up at the side here with ears, but you can still make out that it's a unicorn and it's super pretty. I mean, I think that's pretty decent for our first item. Directly underneath that, holy moly, directly underneath that bath bomb is another bath bomb. This one is huge. Guys, I can't even tell you how beautiful this box smells. I am getting packed, literally hit with floral and citrus and fruity. It smells so stinking good. This one is a furries and snow bath bomb. It is I mean, look at the difference in size. I mean, it looks to me like it's a bigger bath bomb. A pretty big bath bomb. I love the little sprinkles. This I'll probably keep. It's in really good condition. No dings on any side. Perfect. I'll probably keep that for a giveaway. And guys, I mean, really, £1? What? Like, it's crazy. What the heck is this? So something I think has leaked a little. You can see it around the top. Totally fine with that. This is a complete mystery box, so it's not too bad. Guys, this reminds me of like the bath body butter that you've seen on TikTok, you know, small business TikTokers. Okay, this is whipped soap and daisy chain scent. You can see it is a mixture, and you can see that it's whipped. It's got a lot of air pockets inside here, and you can see that it's got this vibrant orange. It looks a lot paler on camera, but trust me, it's very vibrant. Yellow also is very vibrant, but it looks very pale. This is sealed. Yeah, guys, I think this has actually leaked, maybe due to overfillage. I mean, I'm not going to complain that somebody overfilled it. Oh my gosh, look at that. Not really getting a whole lot of scent from this one. I mean, I can't get daisy chain. I'm going to take a little bit of the soap around the side. I don't want to actually touch this because I probably will end up either putting this in a giveaway. But oh my gosh, that is thick. I do have a little tiny bit of water. Oh yeah, it becomes really soapy and sooty. Actually, that almost disappears really super quick. I've still got suds on my hands. I'm just going to use my little water to wipe that away. But that feels really, really nice. Like really creamy, really, really thick. So that is super duper pretty. I'd also just give this a little clean around the side. But for £1, I mean, I don't know what this is a bit of a mess. I don't know what they're selling these for on those TikTok shops. I'm really, really not sure. But I mean, you're definitely not going to get that for £1. I don't believe. I've cleaned the lid up a little bit. But I definitely will put that in a little giveaway or put it on my eBay or my Vinted store. I think that is pretty neat. I am causing a mess. What else do we have in here? Okay, we have a packet. This is Endless Candy Mandarin. It's in a little packet. I don't know what this is because there is literally no indication, but I'm just going to cut the top off because it does have a resealable pouch. I mean, it was completely sealed inside the pack. I have just opened it, but I obviously want to find out because of the soap. My hands are a little sticky. We can't pull the tabs apart, so we have a little tub, metal tub. I mean, it says something on the back, but I think because of the leakage, I think that there's been, you can't actually read it anymore, but I'm going to open it and find out what we've got inside this, if I can. So it's a little twist off top. Okay, that's a lip gloss, a lip save. It is super duper mandarin-y, if that's a word, and I love this tiny little container. I mean, guys, a lip save, a lip chap balm, I mean, that's going to cost more than £1. That is super duper awesome. We have a ton of bath bombs in here. The next little bath bomb we have is a little rocket. Love the little rocket windows right here. This one is a watermelon mist bath bomb, and again, a really decent sized bath bomb. Super watermelon-y. So that's adorable and cute. We have a little cocktail drink bath bomb. Oh my gosh, there's no label on this one. That's perfectly okay. I love the little, it looks like it's supposed to be a little coconut, and then it's got the froth. It has a bit of decoration, but how cute they put the straw in as well. Like, that's just extra detail. That is definitely paying attention to detail. And that again is a really decent bath bomb. So I'm super happy with all of those little items so far. Then we've got 2 more items to go to. The next item is a box of something. This is Angels, harmful to aquatic life with long-lasting effects. Dispose of contents, stroke container to approved disposal sites. And guys, it doesn't tell me at all what they are, but they're in this, they're in this cutesy little package. I have a feeling these are soaps. Oh my gosh, these are so stinking cute. I didn't even, because they were in the box like this, I thought they were hearts. Look, they're so adorable. This little one here are tiny, tiny mini little roses. if I could get the camera to focus. That is so adorable. This one says KSS. I'm not sure what that KSS is, but it has little flowers, and then this one has a cutesy little bow. Oh my gosh, like you have got to be kidding me, because I don't think I'm going to put it back inside the little box, because I think it is so much cuter like this. I am amazed that this seller can actually sell this box for £8. I am totally blown away. I am absolutely 100% definitely going to place a second order, because I want to see if I get different things the next time around. I wouldn't mind some wax melts. I wouldn't mind some essential oil type stuff. But for now, I mean, I could not be happier. So guys, then the next one that we have is a more whipped soap. It's in Midnight Opium. Again, you can tell that this there has been leakage, and I do believe it came from what was this one, from our Daisy chain. It's got that almost galactic look to it. You can see that it's whipped, and then we're just going to open it. Wow. This one has a more powerful smell than the Daisy chain. This one smells very perfumey, almost like it's kind of hard to it's kind of hard to explain. It's almost like a little opium, I guess. So, oh yeah, it's called Midnight Opium. Yeah, it definitely has that opium smell, that perfumey scent. It is really nice and really pleasing. Again, guys, I don't tend to use soap, whipped soap like this. I use the foam hand soap, but this could be good for showering. Again, let's just see. I mean, it's really light. I don't know if it's the whipped element of the soap that makes it super light, but it is super light. It literally blends in so nicely, and the scent is to die for. It is delightful. Well, guys, I personally think that I definitely got my money's worth in this mystery box. I am exceptionally happy with what I've got. But what I think we're going to do, and let me know if you guys think this mystery box was worth it in the comment section below. I positively do. I'm just going to clean up a little bit here, put all these back in again. Guys, if you're interested in purchasing any of the items that I have, I do tend to frequently sell them on Vinted. I also sell them on eBay. I will put potentially the link to my shops in in the comments below if you're interested in buying anything. Let me know before you purchase that you're interested in it, and I will send you a little offer. Just mention that you're a subscriber, and I will happily give you a little offer. I probably will throw some little extra bits in for free. So I want to test one of the little bath bombs. This one seems to be double wrapped, I think. It's very stiff wrapping, that's for sure. Yeah, this one is double wrapped. We're just going to pour in the remainder of the bits that are falling out. So I had a thicker wrapper on the outside and a thinner wrapper on the inside, but I think I can pull this one apart without using scissors. I don't want to fully damage the remainder of the bath bomb, which broke anyway. Oh, but inside the bath bomb you can see it's colored, which is cute. So let me try to work this out. The smell of this bath bomb is gorgeous, and I'm not just kidding. This one's falling apart. We're just going to let that fall in, but it is absolutely gorgeous. I am loving this scent. I think I got 10 pieces of bath bomb for the price of one. Oh my gosh. This one's really damaged, but this is what we have. Lots of different pieces. At least I kept the head intact. And we're going to go ahead and throw our bath bomb in. And I'm going to lift you guys up and let you see what's going on. So this bath bomb is super white. You can see that, and it's got these bursts of color, which I think are really good and really cute. Not as much of a fizz as I guess I would like. I think I got a little bit spoiled with some of the Lush ones that I was bought. It's a bit sad. And guys, keep watching my channel because I do have a Lush birthday box that was bought to me as a gift, and I want to show you guys. It is still bubbling around here. The colors are coming through much, much more. There's quite a decent foam on the top, and the color is very peachy, which I don't mind at all. But overall, for the money that I spent on this mystery box, I genuinely can't complain. I think it was well worth the money. I'm definitely going to make a second purchase, and I will link both videos together so that you guys can see box number 1 and then box number 2. Hopefully I get something a little bit different. Hopefully. But I've had a blast. Guys, look, this is still going. This is still bubbling. Look at these vibrant colors. You've got orange and green and blue speckles here and pink. And oh, it's just so, so cute. That's a decent bath bomb. A really decent bath bomb. So I am totally excited with this. I'm going to try and say this again. Hallie's Scents Etsy shop. Guys, do go and check her out, or do go check them out. I had a really positive experience, and I will keep you guys posted on my next box. But in the interim, guys, I hope you had a lot of fun. I had a blast. I do like the excitement of opening a mystery box and seeing what we get. Sometimes I get pure garbage, and then sometimes you come across a little gem just like this one. If you guys like the video, please smash that like button. Smash. And if you guys are not yet a subscriber, go and hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you here. Don't forget about the notification bell to be notified of any of my further videos. And please leave any comments in the comment section. I really will try my hardest to get back to you guys just as soon as I possibly can. Guys, again, thank you so much. Thank you. I really hope you guys take care. This is going to overflow. I hope you all stay safe. Look out for each other, and I'm going to catch you next time. Take care, everybody. Bye. Bye-bye.